woke up. I'm just gonna get ready for the day. I sound like a man. Anyways, I'm just gonna wash my face and stuff. I got this super cute skincare headband from Urban, and it's like a frog. How cute. It's literally what? July 28th at 11 a.m. and I'm so tired. But yeah, today I'm gonna hang out with two of my friends and we're gonna go to her work event, which will be exciting. Use the Innisfree green tea cleanser. This one's really nice. It just gets the job done and it doesn't break me out. I'll just lather it up. Oh yeah, I've been breaking out like on my right side of my face. I think it's because I sleep on my right side sometimes and I haven't changed my pillowcase in a while. I should probably do that soon. And then I grab a cotton round with the AHA/BHA COSRX toner. This one's my favorite skincare product because it works the best for me. It's on my face. We have a new little friend right here that I want to unfriend quickly. What I do, I basically just soak it. And then I use the Snail essence from COSRX. This one's really nice. You guys probably already heard this from TikTok. It's popular for a reason. I feel like this one helps you achieve like that glass skin look. After that, I like to go in with my moisturizer. I'm almost out of this. This is the Sunjung Free and Moist Emulsion. Most of my skincare products are from YesStyle because they have the best deals. So I recommend getting your Korean skincare and makeup there. And I let it all soak in before I put on my sunscreen. I've been trying to put on sunscreen more. Because have you guys seen those TikToks where it's like, she only puts sunscreen on her face but not her neck? So make sure to put it on your neck. Or else like nothing, I need to redistribute. I think that's pretty much it for my skincare routine, and now I'm just gonna eat breakfast. I got the goods, mail, and the return. I ordered a pair of shorts but then fit perfectly, but I wanted them to fit a little baggier, so that's why I'm returning it. So let's go. So now we're headed to the post office.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, outgoing
mail here, deposit mail. Yeah.
I just came back from Walmart like not too long ago. I basically just got a couple things. I'll show you guys the best part for last. Of course, I got the essentials. I ran out of shampoo. Hask is a pretty good brand. Got the Keratin Smooth. I'm excited to try these out. Also got this big bag of candy. And I will show you guys why. I recently made like these Lego flowers at Walmart. I got the base and the candy, the one I just showed you. Super cute because this is my favorite candy. I might just like add some more decorations later. And that's pretty much what I got from Walmart. I'm just gonna do some homework for my video game design class. So I'm gonna do it before my friend picks me up to go to her work event thing. We are halfway. This is the view. Spilled the tea about interesting things, including my career choice. Yeah, that.
We were gonna get there at 4:19.
4:19.
Says 4:29.
Ruh-roh. What bridge is that? Is that the Bay Bridge?
It's the Golden Gate Bridge, actually.
Oh, that's the Golden Gate Bridge?
Yeah.
But that's not red. Like, I'm so confused.
I was being sarcastic, Hannah.
Never mind, guys. Apparently, I'm dumb. Yeah, this is the final update.
These are there.
This is not an update. This is a scenic view.
Oh, is it like the B-roll?
Just a right angle. Guys, I swear I have work to do. I'm just eating right now.
You made this?
Yeah. I made these animations. Wow. Oh wait.
What is this for?
Oh wait, I need to show you guys. First level.
What app is this?
This is G Develop. Thank you, Ellie.
You're welcome.
It looks so bad.
What is that?
Anteater.
So funny. Is this for your internship?
No, this is for my class. Show us the good. We just picked up Chipotle and Joanna and Deanna got sweet greens because they're healthy individuals.
We're also healthy individuals.
We're healthy and meaty. Okay, let's go. We are now crossing the crosswalk and I feel very awkward holding this camera up. But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Now we're about to like head to the beach, Ocean Beach. That's where her event thing is, where we network with other Asian Googlers. Anyway, see you guys. Here's Deanna, here's Joanna. Seagull. Bok. We'll see the carnitas looking pink on top. This is sweet green.
That's not that pink.
Run, jog, go. Guys, this is so pretty. Deanna, hair blowing in the wind. What is that?
What is on my
It's the sand.
No, it's not. It's the ash.
Wait, really?
You can erase that. It's actually.
Wait, this is so far. What do you mean? Like the sand?
Yeah, I feel it's.
Well, because it hasn't been as eroded by the water yet, right? Like, because this is like the recent.
But near the water. Oh,
It feels so weird, like placing a camera in front of me at all times.
put it behind you.
Now you left it.
The bird. Oh wow. Did you take that?
Yeah, when we went to the beach.
This is so nice. I haven't been like to the beach in so long.
Bro, feet.
You keep on looking at people's shoes. Oh, wait, I need to roll my pants up.
Yeah, me too. That is like a seagull.
Oh, I'm catching this. You catch. There's another flock. And then there's another flock over there. This autofocus sucks.
Wait, can I try?
Wow, this is such a good cinematic clip. Here we have a dedicated Deanna time-lapsing the sunset. Oh wait, it's gone. Oh wait, almost. Just at like the tip. Oh, that's what she said. Nobody did that. It's so pretty. We are gonna leave the beach now.